man stands on the edge of his porch. The days were short and the father was gone. There was no one in the town, no one in the field. This dusty iron man had given all it could yield. Kicked off my land at the age of 16, and I have no idea where else my heart could have been. I placed all my trust at the foot of this hill, and now I'm sure my heart will never be still. So collect your courage and collect your horse, and pray you never feel the same kind of remorse. Stand now, nowhere to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind, to face what I've done and do my time. Well, you are my accuser now, look in my face. You're a person thinks if you're breathing disgrace. So one man hides and another has wrongs. How can you love what it is you have got when you took it all from the weak hands of the poor? Liars and thieves, you don't know what is the store. Well, there will come a time I will look in your eye. Your preachers are gone and you always deny. But now the while back and I get my gun, I'll say you haven't met me, I am the only son. Steal my heart and break my pride. I know where to stand and now I know where to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind, to face what I've done and do my time. Steal my heart and break my pride. Know where to stand, now know where to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind, to face what I've done and do my time. Yes, it was me. I know what I've done, 'cause I know what I've seen. I went out back and I got my gun. I said, you haven't met me, I am the only son.